how to add family on Facebook. In order to do that, let's head over right here to our profile icon and then scroll down, click on the see your about info, and then you can see this. So what we can do is we can scroll down right here until we can see the family option. We have in here family members. You can add a family member, you can also remove them. So for example, let's head over and add a family member by clicking on this right here. And then from in there, you can see this. So just enter in here a name of the family member. And then you can choose your relationship. Like they can be your mother, daughter, sister, niece, or a lot more in this case. So for example, it's using your stepsister. And then you can also change the publicly. You can make this public, friends, or another more options like only me. For that, click on the save option and then this will save this. So just wait for this right here for them to actually allow your request. So that's how you add family on Facebook. Hope you have